In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can fix ref errors in your graph in Microsoft Excel. So here we have two series. One is daily sales and another one is just a ref. The reason why the ref is there is because there was another data set or line that was getting graphed in this graph that got deleted. And Excel's like, what are you trying to have me refer to? Because there's nothing to refer to because it was deleted. So to fix this, you can either do one of two things. One, you can just delete the series entirely, or two, you can replace it with new data. The first option, to delete it. To do that, you can go to the filter icon, click on select data, and then click on the series that's being left out, and click remove, click OK. Now you can see it's no longer there. But let's just say we didn't mean to delete that. We wanted to have something else instead, like profit. To do that, we can just replace this ref with a new data set. So we're going to make a new column right here called profit, and just multiply sales times 0.2. Doing this a little quick and dirty, but it should hopefully will get the point across. So to replace this ref with a profit data, as you can see right here, we can click on the graph, click on the filter icon, click on where you see ref right here, click on this little box with a pen, where you can edit the series. And instead of having it be a ref, we want the series name to be the title, and we want the series values to be the points that you want to graph. So click on that right there, click OK. And as you can see, now instead of the ref, it was replaced with a profit. So that's it. I hope you found this very helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.